In the next exercise, we are going to learn to answer some questions using the possessive adjective which we just learned. So, shall we begin? The first question. So, this is a situation where on regarde les photos. One is looking at the photos. So, c'est ta rue. It is your street. We are going to answer yes. C'est. Now, when you are answering, tha is the second person singular. It becomes first person. So, c'est ta becomes ma rue. Now, why we use ta here? Because rue is feminine. So, did you get the concept? You just have to see the noun. And here, since the question is in the second person, you will answer in the first person. Yes, it is my street. Oui, c'est ma rue. The next question, c'est ta maison. It is the same format as the first question. It is your house. C'est ta maison. So, you will answer oui, c'est. In this case also, ta becomes ma. Ma maison. C'est ma maison. Yes, it is my house. The next sentence, ce sont tes amis. These are your friends. Oui, ce sont. Now, the possessive here is te. Te is second person. So, when we change it to the first person, it becomes me and ami. Oui, ce sont mes amis. Yes, these are my friends. The fourth sentence, c'est la maison de Florent. Is this the house of Florent? Oui, c'est. Now, we have to write. So, what would be the answer for this? Is this the house of Florent? Yes, it is her house or his house. So, what would be the third person possessive, third person singular? Son, sa, and c'est, right? Now, I told you already, this depends upon the noun that we have. So, the noun here is maison. Maison is feminine. So, c'est son, sa maison. Yes, it is his or her maison. So, this is how we answer the questions. Very simple. If it is second person, you change it to first person. Third person remains third person. So, once again, we'll read the question along with the answer. C'est ta rue. It is your street. Oui, c'est ma rue. It is my street. C'est ta maison. It is your house. Oui, c'est ma maison. It is my house. Ce sont tes amis. They are your friends. Oui, ce sont mes amis. Yes, they are my friends. C'est la maison de Florent. Oui, c'est sa maison. It is the house of Florent. Yes, it is her house. So, now we know how to answer the questions using the possessive. So, I'll give you some more sentences to practice.